So now for part 1, trial number 3. You are mixing an equal volume of copper sulfate and sodium hydroxide. It says to get 25 milliliters of copper sulfate and 25 milliliters of sodium hydroxide. So again, we're using the exact same thing. What gives? Why? Okay, so if you look ahead to part 3, that's your why. Part 3 instructs you what to do with this mixture. So 25 milliliters of copper sulfate, 25 milliliters of sodium hydroxide. We made the solid again. Fantastic. Living large. This is super exciting. But now we're going to take that and move into the future of part 3. Part 3 tells you you're making a copper compound with trial number 3, this mixture right here. The first thing that it tells you to do is to go to a hot plate. And see that hot plate has, well, it has 2 dials. It has heat and it has stir. I'm going to turn it on. There should be a switch somewhere on this, or no, it's right here. I'm just going to turn the dial and I'm going to adjust it to 200 degrees Celsius, or approximately 200 degrees Celsius. So I'm going to get that to that point. It's going to be very, very hot. Surprise, hot plates are hot. So what that means is anything that you put onto that hot plate, whether it's glass, your hand, anything that you put onto that hot plate is going to become very, very hot very quickly. So what that means is you will need to use hot pads that are available in the lab anytime that you handle something from the hot plate. Be very careful with this. This is just like a range oven in your apartment or in your home. Surprise, it's hot. Hot things burn things.